Hi fam, welcome back to our channel, Design on the Dollar. I'm your host Ida, and today is all about the winner of the Landnics drinking cup. But before I get into that, I promised you guys in my last video that I would show you the Mayvenn hair down. And as you can see, it's down, and for everybody else, this is the 360 with 214, and it's the closure is a 14, and all the hair, the two bundles of hair is a 14. And this is Mayvenn's Peruvian body wave. This is not a sponsored video. As I said before, I have alopecia, so I have to wear units. And when I made this one and put it on, it was like a godsend, because most of them, they slide off, even with the gel. But this one, I done slept in it. It's staying in place. I love it. I love it. I love it. And I used this to bond it down with, guys. So if you're wondering, anybody's wondering, that's what I used. If you want to go with a little less harsh one, there's also this one that you can use. And so without further ado, let's see who the winner is. Good luck and congratulations to whomever the winner is. I'll talk to you later, guys. Bye. And the winner of the Landnics personalized bottle is, drum roll,
winner Deborah Matt.
Congratulations.